The business of off-road aftermarket tuning for pickup trucks is booming these days, offering protective equipment, suspension lift kits, larger wheels, and other treatments that increase all-terrain capabilities of these machines. However, we often overlook the fact that manufacturers are trying to get their piece of the pie as well by selling stock models that are already geared up for the toughest of conditions. In this episode of Automotive Territory, we'll show you the best trucks with stock off-road packages which are ready to hit the trails straight out of factory. Subscribe to the channel to get alerted about the next video review, ring the notification bell, and enjoy the ride! Ford Ranger Thunder. North American market does not offer the bonkers Ranger Raptor to its buyers, and this year, yet another attractive off-road machine from Ford will remain limited to Europe and Australia. Based on the top of the food chain Ranger Wildtrak, it adds several exterior tweaks and has a few new goodies that improve utility. The Thunder is offered in exclusive sea gray paint with black and red accents on its grille and darkened headlight and taillight bezels. Also standard are the 18-inch black alloy wheels, black rear bumper, and new skid plates. Apart from the style-related modifications, the Thunder also receives a load of bay bed liner, a powder-coated roller shutter, and a new load bay divider. This dark pickup derives power from a 2.0-liter twin-turbocharged four-cylinder capable of 210 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Finally, the addition features standard four-wheel drive and double-cab body style. Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Though unveiled all the way back in October 2019, the updated Colorado ZR2 should not be expected to hit the market right away, as it is actually a 2021 model. Considering that the competition in the segment has toughened up after the arrival of the new Ford Ranger and Jeep Gladiator, GM decided to further differentiate the ZR2 by giving it a unique look. The off-road Colorado is currently the only model to feature the lettered front end, while its badge has changed the golden skin to gloss black and moved to the side. To signify its all-terrain toughness, the ZR2 is lifted by 2 inches, gets electronic locking differentials, more exposed front tires for a maximized approach angle, and the exclusive DSSV position-sensitive dampers. The mechanical specifications, as well as the interior updates, remain under wraps, but we do expect that the currently standard 3.6-liter V6 will stay. Nissan Titan and Titan XD Pro 4X. The Titan is already a well-equipped truck, but if you require solid off-road capability, then the Pro 4X model is the best choice both in the light-duty and XD ranges. In 2020, it gets a refresh, bearing more efficient headlights, new DRLs, standard Nissan Safety Shield 360 tech, and the usual all-terrain goodies that you won't find on other trims. First up is the hill descent control for added braking stability. Then go Bilstein off-road shocks, a rear differential with electronic locking, and a massive front skid plate. Inside, this truck is differentiated by exclusive red stitching and special engravings on the seats. The off-road Titans derive power from a standard 5.6-liter engine coupled with a 9-speed automatic, and it is rated at 400 horses and 413 pound-feet of torque. GMC Canyon AT4. The Canyon is the latest model from GMC to get the off-road specific AT4 modification. It replaces the last year's all-terrain trim, but boasts enhanced looks and improved capability. On the outside, the truck is distinguished by the enlarged front grille, dark chrome accents, and red recovery hooks. Under its bodywork hides a specially retuned suspension with hill descent assist system and a new skid plate that protects the transfer case. The standard engine of the model is a 3.6-liter V6, netting 308 horses and 275 pound-feet, but customers can also opt for the torquier 2.8-liter Duramax turbo diesel with 369 pound-feet. Both of these come linked to an 8-speed automatic gearbox and a 4-wheel drive system with automatic locking rear differential. Other AT4 specific features include 17-inch aluminum wheels and 31-inch Goodyear Wrangler Tour track tires. Ford Super Duty Tremor Package. Refreshed for the 2020 model year, the F-Series Super Duty also becomes off-road capable thanks to the addition of the new Tremor package that has been designed specifically for the F250 and F350 models in the crew cab configuration. The package is available on all 4x4 trims, starting with the XLT. Among the main upgrades of the Tremor are the improved suspension, a 2-inch front end lift, and new 35-inch all-terrain tires. Together, they contribute to higher ground clearance of 10.8 inches. The model gets a special rock roll driving mode and is expected to easily ford streams and rivers with up to 33-inch high water. The standard engine for the model is a newly developed 7.3-liter V8, plus there is a 6.7-liter power-stroke diesel that makes unbelievable 1,050 pound-feet of torque. Which manufacturer offers the most capable machines on today's market? Ford, GM, maybe Ram or Toyota? Make sure to learn about all the available models before answering in the comment section. Like this episode and let's get back to it. Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Labeled as the only desert-rated Gladiator that you can get straight from the factory, the Mojave was designed for superior traction and maneuverability, specifically in harsh and dry environments. Its ground clearance reaches 11.6 inches, while the specially tuned suspension gets equipped with exclusive 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass shocks with remote reservoirs. In addition, this Gladiator has standard electronic locking rear differential, which proves especially useful when you turn on the Off-Road Plus drive mode. The exterior changes are present as well, including the front skid plate, extended wheel fenders, a huge air intake placed in the center of the hood, and standard 17-inch black wheels wrapped in 33-inch Falcon Wildpeak all-terrain tires. The Mojave pickup comes powered by a 3.6-liter naturally aspirated V6 with 285 horsepower and 260 pound-feet that are sent to all four wheels. Ram 1500 Rebel. After being acknowledged by the expert community as the industry's best light-duty pickup of 2019, the Ram 1500 is becoming even more appealing. The off-road capable Rebel trim expands the list of standard safety equipment, features rear heated seats, wireless charging, and power tailgate release. Moreover, it wears revised graphics and has a trim-specific black appearance package that adds to the mix a full slate of blacked-out elements and 18-inch gloss black wheels. This pickup could be powered by four engine choices: a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 with e-torque mild hybrid tech, a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, another Hemi V8 with e-torque, and the new Echo Diesel 3-liter V6 with the best-in-class torque of 480 pound-feet. The Rebel 1500 rides on Bilstein monotube dampers and 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack tires. The off-road package raises this half-ton by 1 inch, adds electronically controlled locking rear differential, and skid plates. Ford F-150 Raptor. Whenever there is a conversation about tough pickups, we cannot but mention the F-150 Raptor. After the last upgrade in 2019, this truck received a reworked suspension system with the industry's exclusive Fox Off-Road Live valve shocks and a bunch of new tech. For example, the Raptor features a new trail control system, which is basically cruise control for rugged roads. Plus, there is a new terrain management system that allows to increase driving speeds off the pavement. Under its hood sits the top-of-the-line 3.5-liter high-output twin-turbo EcoBoost that makes 450 horses and 510 pound-feet. The Raptor cabin is upholstered in leather, and it can be optioned with high-end Recaro sports seats. GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The 5th-generation Sierra went on sale as a 2019 model, gaining unique exterior styling as well as several new functional features, such as a carbon fiber bed and a multi-pro tailgate. It also received an off-road specific AT4 trim. Available for the crew and double cab models, the Sierra sports a darkened exterior and interior design, red tow hooks, and a 2-inch suspension lift. Additionally, it can be complemented by the off-road performance package, that adds 18-inch wheels with mod-rated Goodyear Wrangler tires, new air intakes, and a catback exhaust. The engine lineup includes 3 options: a 5.3-liter EcoTec 3 V8, a 6.2-liter V8, and a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel, all of which are mated to a 10-speed auto and 4-wheel drive. Technology-wise, the AT4 gets an 8-inch infotainment, traction select system, and surround vision. Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro. In 2020, the Tacoma tries on slightly fresher looks that carry over to its off-road trims as well. The truck gets new LED lighting and plenty of added comfort features, such as a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat option and an 8-inch standard infotainment system. For all-terrain capability, you can choose between the TRD Off-Road and the more equipped TRD Pro models. The former boasts an off-road suspension with Bilstein shocks, a rear locking differential, and depending on the chosen gearbox, either active traction control or crawl and multi-terrain control. The TRD Pro Tacoma impresses with exclusive 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass shocks, a 1-inch suspension lift, 16-inch wheels with beefy Goodyear Wrangler tires, and an optional TRD Desert air intake. Both come powered by a 3.5-liter Atkinson Cycle V6 that is paired with an automatic or a manual transmission. Toyota Hilux. The new Hilux is not necessarily getting an off-road dedicated version in 2020, but does it really need one after proving through the years of being nearly indestructible in any conditions? The international workhorse from Toyota improves its looks with a new bold and powerful 3-dimensional grille and front bumper treatment. LED lights now decorate both front and rear, plus there are new machine finish and black 18 inches alloys. The truck's performance is improved with a new 201 horsepower, 2.8-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo diesel, generating 369 pound-feet of torque. Though the smaller 4-cylinders, 2.4-liter turbo diesel and 2.7 turbo gasoline are still on offer. Lastly, this invincible machine gets updated interior tech in the form of an 8-inch infotainment with Android and Apple connectivity. The time has come to make your decision about the coolest stock off-road pickup trucks of 2020. Mention your top pick in the comment section below the video. Like this episode and subscribe to Automotive Territory not to miss out on the regular dose of informative videos. Consider watching more lineup reviews by following the links on the screen. And as always, may the torque be with you!